Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today I'll be showing you how to log into your Grow account online on your computer. And now let's dive right in. Now to log into your Grow account on your computer, just open up your preferred browser as I have already opened the Google Chrome. And on the search bar, click over there and type in the address grow.in and hit on enter. And after that, you can see guys on the first result of Google, there is the grow.in. Click over there and then you'll be directed to the home page of course. Let's wait for it. And this is the home page guys. Now in order to log into your account, at the top right corner of the screen you can see the login slash register button available over here. You'll be required to click on it, but wait guys, it's not loading properly. So you can also click on the get started button over here. Both of these buttons are same or will open the same panel, so let's click on it. And guys, over here this is the login as well as the sign up panel, because if you have not yet created an account with any of your emails, the moment you enter a new email it will then turn to a registration more than a login. And if you have already created an account guys, you can log in directly with the process. And with that being said guys, you can also continue with your Google account if you click on this button where it says the continue with Google. A login page to your Google account will open, and if you sign in, you'll be logged into your Grow account with your Google account. And with that being said, guys, let's enter our email address with which we had created an account on the Grow. And after that, click on continue. And over here guys, a one-time password will be sent to you on your Gmail. Enter your one-time password over here, and after that you'll be able to click on the submit button. And after clicking on it, you'll be logged into your Grow account online. And with that being said guys, this is how you sign into your Grow account online on your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below. And don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thanks for watching guys. Peace.